For your asynchronous time this week in science, you are responsible for a lab safety one-pager. So your one-pager has to have a border on it. You guys, I did this one really quickly to just give you an example. So it has to have a border on it, has to have your name and the period on it. You have to have a title, so I put lab safety. You have to have a minimum of 3 pictures. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures that have to do with lab safety. I have some quotes that I found, or some quotes that I think are really cool that I made up for lab safety. You have to have a minimum of 2. I have some just little signs around that kind of explain what you should be doing. I would add more if I were you. And I have 2 questions. Who should you report any accidents to? And then I have the answer. Why is it important to not eat or drink in the lab? And I have the answer. I want some higher level thinking questions from you. So maybe go beyond those type of questions. I made really simple ones for you because I just wanted to show you what a one-pager should look like. If you don't have colors or markers or anything at home, you can do this in pencil. You can also make it in a Google Doc. But if you're going to make it in the Google Doc, it has to be colorful and it can't be plagiarized, which means you can't make it copy something from somebody. You can cut and paste pictures and stuff in images, clip art images in, but you need to make it your own, like make your own text boxes and everything. Make sure you take a picture of it and turn it in. And have fun doing this, guys. It's just a review. You guys are going to have to take a lab safety quiz in order to be able to do labs when we get back to school. So please do that. Have a great time doing this. It'll be fun.